Troubleshooting your garage door. Having issues with your garage door? If your garage door won't open or it will open but not close, it's most likely an issue with the safety sensors or remote control. If your garage door won't open, it's probably an issue with the remote or the control on the wall. We recommend changing the batteries in each and trying again. Also, make sure that the garage door opener has electricity running to it. You may need to check and see if a fuse has blown in the electrical box. If your garage door will open but not close, it's probably an issue with the safety sensors. Most garage doors have safety sensors located near the bottom of the tracks to prevent the door from closing on objects or people. 1. Check for obstructions. Move any items that might be blocking the sensor path. 2. Inspect the sensors. They're located 6 inches off the ground on both sides of the door. 3. Clean the lenses. Dirt, dust, or spiderwebs can block the infrared beam. Wipe the sensors with a dry cloth. 4. Check alignment. If one sensor is misaligned, the door won't close. Adjust them so both lenses face each other. 5. Test the door. Try closing it again. If you've tried those things and it's still not closing, or if you're having other issues with your garage door, please let us know and we'll have someone take a look at it as soon as possible. In the meantime, you can hold the button on the wall control down and it will force the garage door to close, kind of like a manual override. For more tips on fixing common household issues, check out our YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook.